fountain, taken after the Italians, very similar to ones in Italy. And a small known fact is Nice was part of Italy before. And here you can just take a look. You can see those statues there. It's a very compact. There's the sea right there. Old town's over there to the left. Everything's very compact. Some people only stay here for a day. This is the market. Oh, where's Chez Teresa? Try the stupid chickpea thing. That's how much it is, even in a bakery. Lots of jams, terrine. I think that's the place for the soccer. It's Teresa's Soccer. Chez Français. Very busy place to get meats. Oh, we got a local market here. What's going on? Free drinks. What is this?
Bon, ça a bien marché, je tombe. Le Duton. Le Duton. Le Duton.
I don't know. Is that free? Oh, nice. Tuna, lemon. Oh, just eat fresh. That is ugly fish. Okay. Tuna, you can eat it raw. Some other fish. 18 euros a pound, 34 euros a kilo. There's some octopus. Don't know what square this is. Maybe that's Garibaldi again.
What?
Garibaldi. There it is. Before. And here it is now. To the port and then to Villefranche. Let's just finish eating our Greek food. Waiting for some sun as we're freezing. It's near the Contemporary Market, art gallery. Trying to catch a sunset. What? We're gonna go up that hill there. Coming up this, there's two ways. There's an elevator and there's the stairs. We're taking the stairs. I don't even know if it costs any money to take the elevator. But look at the sun glowing against that. And as we get higher and higher, look at the view. Here we are. It looks like you're in Paris. Everyone's sitting out here, staring out. We're in the main square. Beautiful day. called So Green Coffee Shop. Breakfast is 12 euros. You can see this artwork at the top. Okay, now this is the old town. We'll go through it one more time and then walk on the boardwalk. Such a blue day. What is it? I don't know. Where's the drinks? Too big of a lineup. This is Jean Medecin. This is where the tram going to the airport, which is midway between the train station and the beach. And that's where we will be taking a tram, 1.7 euros, to the airport tomorrow morning, starting at 4:20 a.m. every 4 minutes. So, cheap way to get to the airport. Very cheap. One of the few affordable things. Everything else, eating in Nice is so expensive. We were in Italy yesterday. Much more reasonable, even though they sometimes charge you a cover charge of 2 euros to sit down in a restaurant, depending where you go. Here we're overlooking Nice. Beautiful day, warm, sunny, but windy as hell. And there you see the airport, the plane's going towards there, and we are walking. You can see the promenade here. We will walk the promenade to the Nespresso, whatever hotel you can see there in red.
For more than 2 hours.
It's a night walk. The seagulls are always out all the time. And you can see some of the Christmas lights.